Hi! Another topic na naman ngayon ang ating pag-aaralan ay tungkol sa Calculus 3, cross product. Determinants. Some of the concepts that we will develop in this section required basic ideas about determinants, which are functions that assign numerical values to square arrays of numbers. For example, if a sub 1 and a sub 2 and b sub 1 and b sub 2 are real numbers, then we define a is 2 times 2 determinant by. So, as you can see, we have a sub 1, a sub 2, and b sub 1 and b sub 2. There are arrows that crossing to them. So we got a sub 1 and b sub 2 minus a sub 2 and b sub 1. In order for us to have a better understanding in this topic, let's go on. So, the purpose of the arrow is to help you remember the formula. The determinant is the product of the entries on the rightward arrow minus the product of the entries on the leftward arrow. We have this example. We had 3 and negative 2 and 4 and 5. And then we use the arrow in which help us to remember the formula. So, equal to 3 and 5 minus the quantity of negative 2 times 4, and we get 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. We're just using the multiplication. So, 3 times 5 is equal to 15, and negative 2 times 4, we got negative 8, and negative times negative is equal to positive. That's why 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. 3 times 3 determinants is defined in terms of 2 times 2 determinants by. So we have a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, b sub 1, b sub 2, b sub 3, c1, c sub 1, c sub 2, and c sub 3. And as what I said earlier, we're just going to use arrow in order for us to help to remember the formula. So for A1, we have the arrow for this one. We have the arrow for this one. We have this one for A sub 1, and yes, we have for red for A sub 1, and color black for A sub 2. We have this one, and for A sub 3, we have also this one. Wait. We have blue, which is this one. For A sub 3, I get a mistake. So for A sub, erase. For A sub 1, we have this arrow. And for A sub 2, we have this. Basta kay arrow na siya. And then, for A sub 3, we have color blue, which is this one. This arrow, as what like I said earlier, it could help us to identify what is A sub 1, what is A sub 2, and what is A sub 3. And that would be all. I hope this video would help you in the future. Thank you and God bless.